Homemade snacks, a delicious trend that's taking kitchens by storm. Everyone loves a good snack, right? Whether it's a family gathering or a casual hangout with friends, snacks are always a hit. But sometimes those store-bought bags of crisps just don't cut it. They can be too salty, too greasy, or just plain bland. They can be full of strange ingredients and lack that real potato flavor. Ever looked at the back of a snack package and wondered what half those ingredients are? That's where homemade snacks come in. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create something truly delicious. Making your own snacks is easier than you think, and it's a great way to enjoy delicious food made with simple ingredients. Plus, it's a fun activity to do with family or friends. Plus, you get to control the flavor and crispiness exactly to your liking. Want them extra crispy? No problem. Get ready to ditch the processed stuff and treat your taste buds to some homemade goodness. It's time to say goodbye to those disappointing store-bought snacks. In this article, we'll explore the secrets to making incredibly crispy potato snacks right in your own kitchen. You'll learn tips and tricks that make the process simple and fun. From choosing the right potatoes to achieving that perfect crunch, you'll be a snack-making pro in no time. It's all about the details. So, are you ready to get snacking? Let's get started and make some delicious homemade potato snacks together. Not all potatoes are created equal, especially when it comes to making crispy snacks. The type of potato you choose can make a big difference in the texture and flavor of your final product. For ultimate crispiness, it's best to go for starchy potatoes like russet or Idaho potatoes. These potatoes have a higher starch content and lower moisture content compared to waxy potatoes, which helps them crisp up beautifully when baked or fried. Avoid using waxy potatoes like Yukon Golds or red potatoes for this recipe. They have a higher moisture content, which can make your snacks turn out soggy instead of crispy. So remember, when you're at the store, reach for those trusty russets or Idahos for snacking success. Now that you've got your perfect potatoes, it's time to prep them for snacking greatness. This process will ensure that your snacks are not only delicious, but also have the perfect texture. First, give your potatoes a good scrub under cold water to remove any dirt. This step is crucial to get rid of any soil and impurities. Then decide whether you want to leave the skin on or peel it off. It's entirely up to you. The skin can add extra texture and nutrients, but peeling them can make for a smoother snack. Next, it's time to slice those potatoes into thin, even pieces. Consistency and thickness is key to ensure they cook evenly. You can use a sharp knife or a mandolin slicer for this step. A mandolin slicer can make the job quicker and more precise. Aim for slices that are about 1/8 inch thick or even thinner if you can manage. Thinner slices will result in crispier snacks. Once your potatoes are sliced, place them in a bowl of cold water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This soaking process is essential. This will help remove excess starch and prevent them from sticking together during cooking. Stir them occasionally to ensure all slices are well soaked. After soaking, drain the potatoes thoroughly and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Removing excess water is crucial for achieving that perfect crispiness. Now they're ready to be transformed into crispy, delicious snacks. Get ready to enjoy your perfectly prepped potato snacks. Section 4. Baking or frying, the path to crispy perfection. We're getting close to snack time. The anticipation is building and soon you'll be enjoying those delicious crispy potato slices. Now comes the exciting part, cooking those potato slices to crispy perfection. This is where the magic happens. You have two main options here, baking or frying. Each method has its own unique benefits and flavors. Baking. For a healthier option, baking is the way to go. It uses less oil and still delivers a satisfying crunch. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures even cooking. Toss the potato slices with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and any other seasonings you like. Get creative with your flavors. Spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps them cook evenly and get crispy. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to avoid burning. Frying. If you're craving that classic fried crunch, frying is the method for you. It gives a rich, deep flavor. Heat a generous amount of oil in a large skillet or pot over medium-high heat. The oil should be hot but not smoking. Carefully add the potato slices to the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. This ensures they cook evenly. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. The sizzling sound is music to your ears. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. This keeps them from getting soggy. Whichever method you choose, keep a close eye on your potato snacks while they cook to prevent burning. Attention to detail is key. Adjust cooking times as needed depending on your oven or stovetop. Every kitchen is different, so be flexible and attentive. Section 5. Serving your crispy potato snacks. Congratulations, you've made it to snack time. Your crispy potato snacks are ready to be devoured. Serve them hot straight from the oven or fryer for the ultimate crunchy experience. Sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt or your favorite seasonings for an extra flavor boost. These snacks are delicious on their own, but you can also pair them with a variety of dipping sauces. Try classic ketchup, creamy ranch dressing, spicy sriracha mayo, or even a refreshing yogurt dip. Whether you enjoy them as a game day snack, a party appetizer, or simply a tasty treat, these crispy potato snacks are sure to satisfy your cravings. So go ahead, grab a handful or two and enjoy the fruits of your culinary labor.